Partnering with us means identifying the key steps and bottlenecks in your business. We have 5 steps for you on how to get there. Stay tuned in this next video. I'm Carsten from rfidtechnology, and in this video I will tell you more of the 5 steps and how we collaborate with you in identifying and fixing bottlenecks. Step number 1, process analysis in your business. We did a process analysis for a laundry business one day, and we found over 100 potential scan points. Typically, you wouldn't see that many if you have a first glance. We go very deep into your processes to find the ideal scenarios on where we can read RFID, where we can count your products and make sure that we have everything we need in a very efficient way without stopping your process. Number 2, proof of concept. We choose the most efficient scan points in this process and try how they work with you and collaborate with you to make sure that we have the most efficient way to scan. Number 3, product development. We will develop products specifically for your needs whenever needed. As an example, we can show the suction lens, which is a perfect product to empty a container in the most efficient way, cost efficient as well as process efficient. As another example, we have our cabinets, the Infinite, which is specifically designed for material management in the end use point, which would be the customer or a customer near environment. Or the Infinite 8, which is a first aid cabinet specifically designed to work in a work environment. Wherever you need first aid equipment, it will be there and help you manage that process as well. Number 4, project implementation. First we plan how to roll out, then we install, we test the environment, and we give you all the training you need to use the RFID equipment in the most efficient way. Training means we help your partners and your work environment work with the RFID solutions, so you always know how to use the equipment in the most efficient way. And most important is we have a full maintenance in the background, which will always be there in the long run. Number 5, service and maintenance. Very important after installations, we will always be there 24/7. Online and offline support. We will be on site when needed. We have a ticketing system that we use to make sure we have everything under control. We do this for the major customers that we have across the world, in the US and in Europe, and we're always available 24/7. Those are our 5 steps how we can help you. So follow us, be part of our collaboration. Once you work with us, you will never feel alone again. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you again in the next video.